Hello everybody, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can fix hang and lag problem in your device Infinix Hot 20. So if you're facing these problems, you can fix them by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you won't miss any of my updates. Now watch this video and you will learn how you can fix hang and lag problem in your device Infinix Hot 20.